The Finance Minister presented the budget on the sacred occasion of Magh Purnima and Guru Ravidas Jayanti. This is the first budget prepared in the new Kartavya Bhavan, highlights 12 years of stability. Despite global trade disruptions, India has maintained approximately 7% growth. The budget is driven by 3 Kartavyas, duties, to achieve Vikasit Bharat, developed India. Kartavya 1. Accelerate and sustain economic growth. This duty focuses on hard power, manufacturing, infrastructure, and economic security. In Kartavya 1 to accelerate and sustain economic growth. Here are the manufacturing in 7 strategic sectors, new schemes. Biopharma Shakti, new, a massive 10,000 crore rupee scheme over 5 years. Goal is to make India a global hub for biologics and biosimilars, complex medicines for cancer/diabetes. To make this happen, upgrading 7 NIPERs and create 1,000 clinical trial sites. Semiconductors, ISM 2.0. Moving beyond just chips to materials, equipment, and full-stack Indian IP. Rare earth corridors, establishing mining/processing zones in Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Chemical parks, 3 dedicated parks to reduce import dependency. Electronics components, outlay increased to 40,000 crore rupees. In Kartavya 1 to accelerate and sustain economic growth. Here are infrastructure and city economic regions, CERs, a new concept where cities are mapped as growth hubs. 5,000 crore rupees per region allocated to develop them. High-speed rail, 7 new corridors. Mumbai-Pune, Pune-Hyderabad, Hyderabad-Bengaluru. Hyderabad-Chennai, Chennai-Bengaluru. Delhi-Varanasi, Varanasi-Siliguri. Rail freight, new dedicated freight corridor from Dunkuni, east, to Surat, west. Waterways, operationalizing 20 national waterways, focus on NW5 in Odisha for coal transport. Energy, 20,000 crore rupees for carbon capture. CCUS in steel/cement sectors. In Kartavya 1 to accelerate and sustain economic growth. Here are MSME champions, SME Growth Fund to incentivize high-performing MSMEs, TRDS mandate. All CPSEs must use TRDS platform for payments to MSMEs. Corporate Mitras, a new cadre of paraprofessionals to handle MSME compliance cheaply. Kartavya 2. Fulfill aspirations and build capacities. This duty focuses on soft power, youth, health, skills, and services. Kartavya 2. Fulfill aspirations and build capacities. 1. Health and wellness, new focus. Geriatric care, training 1.5 lakh caregivers specifically for elderly care and wellness, yoga/assistive devices. Medical tourism, 5 regional medical hubs to be set up, integrated hospital/hotel complexes. Ayurveda, 3 new All India Institutes of Ayurveda, upgrading the WHO Center in Jamnagar. Kartavya 2. Fulfill aspirations and build capacities. In this Kartavya, here are 2. Education and skilling, university townships, 5 academic zones to be built near industrial corridors. Girls' hostels, viability gap funding, VGF, to set up a hostel in every district. Astronomy, 4 telescope facilities, including the Himalayan Chandra telescope, to be upgraded for immersive experiences. Kartavya 2. Fulfill aspirations and build capacities. In this Kartavya, here are 3. Tourism, new circuits. Trekking trails, new ecological trails in Himachal, J&K, Uttarakhand. Southern focus, trails in Araku Valley, Eastern Ghats, and Podigamalai, Western Ghats. Coastal, turtle trails in Odisha/Karnataka, and birdwatching at Pulicat Lake. Heritage, 15 sites, Lothal, Dholavira, Hampi, etc. to get immersive storytelling tech. Kartavya 2. Fulfill aspirations and build capacities in this Kartavya. Here are 4. Creative Economy, AVGC. Creator Labs, setting up a VGC content labs in 15,000 schools and 500 colleges. Kartavya 3. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. This duty focuses on inclusion, farmers, women, Divyangjan and the East. Kartavya 3. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. In this Kartavya, here are 1. Agriculture, high value and tech. Bharat Visthar, new AI tool, a multilingual AI that gives farmers customized advice and connects to AgriStack. High value crops, special focus on coconut, cashew, cocoa and sandalwood. Goal is to make Indian cashew/cocoa premium global brands. Fisheries, tax-free diesel/inputs for fishing vessels in the high seas, international waters. Kartavya 3. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. In this Kartavya, here are 2. Women empowerment, Shrimarts, community-owned retail outlets for Lakpati Didis to sell their products directly. Kartavya 3. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. In this Kartavya, here are 3. Divyangjan, persons with disabilities. Tech marts, modern retail centers to try/buy assistive devices. Sahara Yojana, scaling up production of artificial limbs, ALIMCO. Kartavya 3. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. In this Kartavya, here are 4. Mental health, which is having critical gap. North India focus, setting up Nimhans 2, since North India lacks a national institute, and upgrading Ranchi/Tezpur institutes. Part B, direct taxes, the most critical section for the common man and investors, lies Part B, direct taxes. In this direct taxes of Part B, here are 1. The big announcement, New Income Tax Act. A simplified act will replace the existing one. Effective from April 2027, goal is moving towards plain language and fewer disputes. Part B, direct taxes. In this direct taxes of Part B, here are 2. Middle class relief, TCS cuts. Overseas tour packages, tax collected at source, TCS, slashed from 5% to 20% to 2%. Education/medical, LRS, TCS reduced from 5% to 2%. Kantilbaur Part B, direct taxes. In this direct taxes of Part B, here are 3. Foreign asset amnesty. This is one-time scheme. 6-month window to disclose undeclared foreign assets. Category A, income less than 1 crore rupees, pay 60% tax plus penalty to get no prosecution. Category B, asset declared, source missing, pay 1 lakh rupees fee to get immunity. Small relief, no penalty for undeclared foreign assets under 20 lakh rupees. Part B, direct taxes. In this direct taxes of Part B, here are 4. Investor/business impact, buyback tax, buybacks now taxed as dividends in shareholders' hands, plus promoters pay extra tax, which is impacting investors negatively. STT hike. Options premium STT raised to 0.15%. IT sector, safe harbor margin fixed at 15.5%. Tax holiday till 2047 for foreign cloud firms using Indian data centers. Part B, indirect taxes, customs. The most critical section on indirect taxes, especially on customs. In this indirect taxes of Part B, here are 1. Cost reductions. Personal imports. Duty on goods imported for personal use reduced 20% to 10%. Began. Cancer drugs. 17 cancer drugs plus 7 rare disease drugs fully exempted from customs duty. Mobile/electronics. Parts for microwave ovens and lithium-ion batteries made cheaper. In this indirect taxes of Part B, here are 2. Export boost. E-commerce cap removed. The 10 lakh rupees limit on courier exports is gone, huge for small artisans/exporters. The budget aims to balance ambition with inclusion.